So now we'll work on problem 36 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're asked to determine whether each of the following statements concerning the titrations in the previous problem is true or false. So in the previous problem, we had two solutions, one of nitric acid and one of acetic acid, with the same volume and same concentration, and they're being titrated against the same solution of sodium hydroxide. So the first statement in this problem is that the pH at the beginning of the two titrations will be the same. Now, since we know we have a strong and a weak acid here, this is false. The pH will be lower for the strong acid, for nitric acid, than it will be for acetic acid.